What's up, boss fam? It's your boy Don Beezy, and today I'm going to be talking about 3 things that you can change about your jam skating and rhythm skating today that will revolutionize your style. Let's get into it. These are dance movement styles. So if you can understand how to perform better, you will do them better. You gotta slow down, focus on doing less moves on beat as opposed to focusing on doing a lot of moves off a beat. When you focus on doing one move on beat, you practice the move more. And if I practice that one move and get it on beat for 15 or 30 minutes, I get better at that one move. And then the next practice, I pick another move. And the next practice, I pick another move. Freestyling comes after drilling the basics to get them on beat. When the video comes on, many skaters get the urge to do all of their fanciest footwork as fast as they can. But I'm here to tell you that less is more. If you do less moves on beat, they look better. Boom. These moves are simpler. The footwork isn't that fancy. That's just a tic-tac. I'm not even skating here, but it looks cleaner because I'm focusing on being on beat. To improve your rhythm, practice bouncing daily. Just bouncing will make you look smoother and more comfortable. Try the quarter bounce. That's a bounce on the 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 2, 3, and 4. 3, 2, 3, and 4. There are also other types of bounces. The half bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then there's the octo bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's also another bounce, but you probably shouldn't worry about this one. The double octo bounce is kind of difficult to do on your skates. If you a jigger, you know about that double octo bounce. Focus on having some softness in your knees and bouncing with some swagger. Don't worry about any other moves. If you get your bounce nice, everything else will come. Then practice your basic moves on beat. I spend 15 minutes a day on basic moves like the 2-step, just getting them on beat. Another move is the crazy leg. Notice how it's slow. It's on the quarter beat. Then I practice my dribbles and other moves at different counts. This is at a quarter beat, but I also might practice at the half. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I also might practice at the octo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Practicing less moves on beat will help you progress faster. Because having undisciplined practice is not how you progress. Progress is not guaranteed. Just because you go out and skate does not mean that you progress. You progress by skating intellectually. Thing number 2. Unglue your feet to the ground. A lot of skaters are heavy on their wheels and they really rely on pushing their feet back and forth and have very undeveloped dribbles. One thing I like to do is slide my feet in a pattern. It looks completely different. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4. Or I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Or I can do a quarter push, 1 on every beat. Try out some different beats. It makes you look so much different. Now let's take a look at our dribbles. A good dribble is a good skate. A lot of people have really short and stubby dribbles.
I want you to make sure you're getting a full range of motion. Notice how my wheels roll all the way back and all the way forward. I understand how far I can roll my wheels back before I rub my skates on the ground. And if you have toe stops, this is going to be extremely important for you to figure out. So take it slow.
Finally, you need to pay attention to the way that your body is rotating. A lot of times I see people try to turn one way and they'll try to jump with their body the other way. It's actually absolutely counterintuitive, and it's the reason why a lot of people have trouble transitioning. It's the reason why a lot of people have trouble spinning. It's the reason why people have trouble doing any move that involves a turn.
Rotate your arms and body the same way. A lot of times skaters try to do something like this. They'll throw their arms one way and they'll throw their body the other way. And it makes it almost impossible for you to do any rotation. Look, no. Turn your body and your arms in the same direction. Your arms help your body turn. Just by turning your arms and the body in the same direction, it will make every single pivot easier. Yes, you will still need to improve your axes and get your balance together, but the first step is to make sure you're moving your arms and body in the same direction. Have fun. Train hard. Make sure you're using those drills to get those skills.
Well, if you like the video, if the tips help, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. And if you feel so led, add me up on Patreon. I'm gonna be opening up some classes for my Patreons very soon. Well, until next time, bye bye, boss fam.